Let me finish up. To be a pure Christian does not mean that you don't make mistakes. So don't look down your nose at those who make public mistakes. Because there's some who are turning puppy show in the church because they have no power anymore, because they're sneaky like the devil himself. But nobody never caught them. So they just sit down there like a pillar of salt and like a whited sepulchre, but they've been hiding and doing devilish things, and nobody don't catch them. But the one that we catch, we beat every day. We beat and slap and beat. We beat and slap them every day. They just about can collect offering because we found them in public sin. But Christ found somebody in public sin, and he said, rise up and go and sin no more. It's time for you to understand that your perfection is not because you never did anything, because too many of us forget our dirty, wretched sin. Don't finish up, don't finish up. You are pure because Christ has redeemed you. You are pure because of the blood of Jesus Christ.